few years ago, Julie and I designed and built this beautiful pergola. Today, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can, using a little bit of imagination, create some shade without spending an arm and a leg. So we purchased this tarpaulin, which is roughly the size of our pergola, and we made sure that it came with some hooks at the end. Also, I added a feather hook in the middle. You will see why. The hook goes in here like this. I've got some rings which I've screwed on the button which is against the house, and this goes over here. That little white thing is my reference point. I know that that is against this corner and it's quite tight, so I press it and it gives me a nice and tight line. Here I have strategically got another little ring, and Julie and I have this agreement. So whilst the flowers are on earlier on in the spring and early summer, we don't have the pergola.
No,
but
because normally there's lovely bunches of...
chocolate something, is it?
Chocolate vine.
Chocolate vine.
So all these lovely flowers dangle down, only for a few weeks. But...
So I'm not allowed, but no. Once they go...
And we don't have that much heat at that time, do we? We manage, it's lovely under there.
Once they go, I'm allowed to play. So here's another hook. And here is easier because obviously it's slower. And here is hook number 3. And here is the last one. And there you have it. If Julie goes over there, she can see, or you can see better what happens. You get some beautiful shade and it's nice and fresh. Sometimes actually I work from out here. However, cannot demonstrate it to you today because it's sunny and it's over 30 degrees. There is a little trick here, and I will be, if it rains, detaching this from over here, and I've got a little engineering business going on over here, and water when it rains, especially if it rains hard, will go down here. We put a bucket underneath and it will collect rainwater, and I'll show you once it starts raining, so I won't be able to post this video until we have a good pour down. So I'll put this back and I'll say cheerio for now, or ciao ciao for now. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Arrivederci, grazie.